Buthengisela ubani lama drugs? Who's the sale?
Awusinemali.
Awusinemali ubani?
Yo, bahlala khona le Davidson. I don't know ukuthi basathengisa or kanjani.
Ubathola kuphi la estradini?
No, endlini.
Endlini.
Nababalali. Enabawabhemi mind you. They don't smoke.
So they don't sleep what?
Uyana ngo-3, ngo-1, ngo-2, ngo-12, 24/7.
So who's supplying them?
I don't know. Bathi bayayipheka but iroom bathi bayayipheka lapha ePinoni Lakeside ama-Nigeria.
Ipheka ama-Nigeria.
Yeah.
That side Lakeside.
Yabona ngale kaKhokho.
Greetings and salutation. Welcome to the podcast club. Kamala Movelmans. We are on the guest edition. If you haven't liked, if you haven't subscribed, do the same and make sure you tell your cousin and everybody Uguti they should come to the show and watch the show. Today is all about learning. It's all about understanding other things that we are not aware. We're always judgmental about drugs and whatnot. But let's just hear the good side of the story. Today I have a guest that will explain everything. Why am I record land? Okay. Okay, today I have a guest that will explain everything about drugs and how to upile a normal life that you used to live before. Ladies and gents, give it up for the one and only Katlego. How's it, Katlego?
Sharp.
Yeah, now I'm happy. You know why I'm happy?
Yeah.
And now you feel, you look very relaxed and comfortable. Yeah, man. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm sharp, wena.
I know I'm pila kakati ahona.
Yeah.
Good to have you. Yeah, good to have you finally.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's start from the beginning. Where are you from?
I'm from Tsakane Extension 8.
Tsakane, ne?
Yeah.
Also Kulele Dai Tsakane.
No, ngikhulele Davidson.
Davidson.
Kahle eBush. eDavidson ngize ngomsebenzi. But
So,
mostly ngispende iminyaka eminingi eDavidson. Yeah.
Okay, so ebushini umtsonga. Ayitsonga. Pulana.
Yeah.
I'm worried about your sound, man. Can I have those headphones here? I'm not sure whether the sound is picking well or what. Oh, so Mupulana.
Yeah,
Mupulana
push back. Amakelela, yeah, kapeta.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting, eh?
Yeah.
Can I have the pin as well? The pin, it should have the pin. Oh, okay, good to have you then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like thinking, Guti, Mapulane are foreigners back then when I oh, okay, this side. Okay, don't worry, guys, I'll carry it up this part. Okay. Yeah, I thought that Mapulane, they are from Zimbabwe, yes, because of bafana nalaba what they call them, blacker, those ones bama mashangana Mozambique.
Oh
yes,
but there's no way you can compare Mapulana or Zimbabwe, because I mean the lingo is totally different. I think go Bushbuckridge unale stonga ne. Lispulana. Yeah, maybe in Kabore, Vachwa Mozambique, maybe whatever.
Not Harare ne.
No,
Harare deserve to be Harare.
Yeah, Mozambique. Rumors said abo Khokho bethu bajump border. Phela thina mase emakhaya.
Yeah.
Sihamba nabantu base Mozambique.
Yeah.
In spray bona bayakhuphuka thina siyayehla. So iruma bathi abo Khokho bethu bayele bajump border, bajumpele ne spray bush, Hazyview, Mariti watwa.
Yeah.
Kahle we original from Mozambique.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
It makes
Cause
sense.
sishera ngene spray bona bayakhuphuka thina siyayehla.
So but now dear Uri Zimbabwe, wow, bro.
Zimbabwe, I think Zimbabwe ngabafanisa nabo bani base Zimbabwe. Amalobedu laba se.
No, you can't say Malobedu. Let's say
No,
it's more like we can't say Malobedu, ne? But honestly, Zim and Venda the lingo.
Yeah.
So I know.
Understand.
Siemens vendor.
Siemens vendor.
And the color.
And the color as well.
Thank
Even
you.
the looks, man.
So
Even the looks, man.
vendors.
It's one big family, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
So thina obviously uyasibona simhlophe emaputo obviously khona amakhaladi nanimali yabo.
Abushinyorita. I know.
Neshangisa khona mangathi yas understand.
Siyafana nyana.
Siyafana nase
Papaya, mamani.
asifana nasekiyani. You understand?
Okay.
So injalo.
You should teach me how to speak Pulana, man. I want to know.
Simple, man. Simnandi. Yeah.
Ngathi mara it sound like ngasithi awukwazi ukukhuluma chibi. Imagine that's how rapping is Pulana. Like a chaba.
Yeah.
I should write a lyric.
Something yana sinye close on the speed nyana.
Yeah.
Because I think 80% is wabona. Oko school. Okay, no, I understand.
Just this Pulana ki Sitswana le Spitor as gona go pukung bangwa la Setswana.
Wabona. Yeah, you're right.
It's the same.
Tell me, Ketsi Bushbuckridge, he fall under which province?
Mpumalanga.
Is it MP or?
Mbombela, yeah.
Okay.
Close to
Yeah.
Mbombela, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, that's getting that way again. So right, you came with a very interesting story, ne?
Serious.
Yeah, very interesting story. Tell us about your story, man. We want to listen your story and hear what is what
Yo.
from the beginning.
From
the beginning. How was your life? Okay, let me give you a direction. How was your life when you were at your peak stage?
Yeah.
How was your life?
Life yam mangakutshela be top. Like ngisheshe ngaba successful. Ku group age yam like ku childhood friends yami yimi ngacala ngasebenza. Ene leze inhlanhla lezo ngizithule kubana khuliseki kubaba makaceda ukushona 2010. Ngafonela umamncane ngathi mina ngifuna umsebenzi. Athi hayi iza la eGauteng la emsebenzini khona bomachanyela it's 100 rand a day.
Yeah.
So if you don't mind iza ngathi hayi ngiyeza vele. Ngafika ngacala ngasebenza vele ngalawo every day ngikhola 100 rand until abelungu bangibona ukuthi I'm a hard worker bangithatha bangifaka stores. Ene angiyange esikoleni I don't have grade 12 bangifundisa umsebenzi ngasebenza stores ilife yami chef warehouse.
It's more like you manage the store or something.
Yeah.
Were you managing the store or the stores were when like
kungasi manager bengithatha capture.
Oh yeah.
Receiving, issuing.
Yeah. Okay, no, I get it.
Yeah, it's nama manager. Yeah.
All right, and then lapho ke life yathoma ya change.
Yeah, ngaba successful like ngingasweli nix like ngisharp. Ubona na ukuthi kahle lo muntu uphumelele ngisharp.
Boy rich auntie ne?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Rich cousin. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bosemncane by then, ne?
Yeah, 2010 I was 23.
Oh, yeah. Can't be an auntie na 23.
Yeah. You are auntie no.
But ubutanga ngathi bayangakabi nomntwana. Okay, umntwana akhe bekakhona but besingana relationship. Nomntwana akhe sibe ne relationship manje. So ngathi I was a rich cousin and a sister. Yeah, yibo abantwana basekhaya bokuthi bebakhona.
So basically you had everything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like everything.
Yeah, you say everything. You had your own house or you had your own cars and stuff?
Own car.
Okay.
Own house lo mcondo bongakafiki.
Yeah.
Bengihlale emcashweni on that time. Yeah. Bengisagcwele ama lights waseGauteng ukuthi.
Afford the life kahle kahle.
Yeah, understand. So impilo ngaleso sikhathi bekuba nemoto ube sharp.
Ugqoke smart.
Shaya ngamakolona atop.
And I can see man ukuthi wena you live the nice life because you have gold tooth. It can I can tell you have tasted that life.
It's soft life.
Ngithestile ngizwile ngiyayazi. Yeah. So after that okay, first khaya mbe kuyipholo pucho.
Yeah.
Nginikeze umamncane. Athi first khaya yakhe angeke azayithengise. So uzoyinikeza mina ngoba ngiyasebenza ngizokhona ukuyimaintain.
Yeah.
Ngayithatha vele ngezandla ezifudumele.
Yeah.
wangifundisa ukudriver and I was not having license by that time. Uyazi kini makunemoto uya driver
We are driver, yeah. You don't need that license. License for what? License for what? Yeah.
Masiye bush yasha kwandani siyandlula kuma traffic cop.
Yeah. It's always like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then after that, you got okay.
Ngayo groove. Bangayicheka.
Oh shit, man.
Bangayicheka.
So bakayicheka ukuphi like bosendleleni or uthe mawubuye groove ayithola ngeke imoto.
Bengisendleleni bayele bangivimba like bebangisele move like ngiyibonile imoto ukuthi icisha ama light ne isele move ngitshela labantu laba esihamba nabo ukuthi hayi man khona imoto esisale move bathi yasayibona but angisho uyazi ukuthi into mayengakayenzeki angeke uzucabanga ukuthi maybe they hijacking or something and bekuyivan ngitshela ukuthi hayi maybe iskorokoro something ayithola so mangibhizi ngidriver immediately ngibele ihambo beza phambi kwami bangivala bahlika nebhamu ngama vele angithola labangani bambi ngihamba nabo bathi hayi singahliki ngathi no asihlikeni labantu baphethe ibhamu asibanikezeni lento bayifunayo nganastana sahlika vele bathatha imoto but the way bebadomu ngakhona babaqeda ukuthatha imoto babuyela straight eKaSlam eBarcelona ngabona ukuthi labantu laba abantu engibuya nabo bangibhekile from the start.
How many are you in the car?
Besi 4.
Okay.
Bengihamba ne girlfriend nabangani bami bayi2.
Okay.
It was 2015. Kusela ntathakusa nge16 thina sithi sophuza nge15 bese sesiyendlini ngabo 4 siyolala sizokhona ukurefresh le16.
Oh yeah.
Nganda kuzobilanga lami le party lapho ke bathatha imoto baye eKaSlam mabaceda ngabona ukuthi le moto le labantu laba babuye eKaSlam at the same time immediately imoto yamaphoyisa yafika yathi kuyenzakaleni ngathi hayi bangayijeki imoto mabaceda lapho bangithatha bona bangise police station police station bangisa yase eThwatho masifika khona eThwatho bathi hayi jikani cause imoto bayithathanga la eThwatho bayithathe elokushini beyelana elokushini mina ngazibuza ukuthi kanjani imoto amaphoyisa ifike same time baqeda ukungithathela imoto bona bayafika
so amaphoyisa azangasama mhlambe ku assist in terms of ukugijimisa imoto or mhlambe bayilandela
no they did not bona into bayenzile bele bangithatha bangise eThwatho police station eThwatho masifika bathi hayibuyelani Davidson ngabona ukuthi obviously lento le into bayiplanile vele
Oh.
Do you think amaphoyisa babe involved kule hijacking leyenzakela?
I think so.
Okay.
Because the way izinto zenzakala fast ngakhona. Imoto bebaqeda ukuyithatha ngathi 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Imoto yamaphoyisa yabaseyila.
And then amaphoyisa basebayalithatha balambisa kule police station.
Basise eThwatho.
That was the only help leba babancede ngayo or mhlawumbe bacubeka ukunceda nge something else.
Next nothing. Obvious na bayazi basebenza lapha eLokishini ngisho why bangangisanga immediately police station yase Lokishini.
So after the car was stolen, did they help in terms of getting your car back?
Yeah, bese sekameni la kamamncane I think bayele bambhadala imali insurance but azangibuze because I was scared but ngiyacabanga cause I-tracker yele ya yeza vele but obviously imoto bese bayistripile ama-tracker nani.
Yeah.
So but the company tracker, did they manage to recover imoto bayithola istripile or
abayitholanga at all?
Okay.
Yeah, so according to me I think umamncane bayele bamnikeza imali yakhe but azange ngibuze because bengithukiwe and stuff ngibuzelani because ngiyenza into wrong yayithola. Yeah. So after that baqeda ukungithathela imoto ifamily yami yona yathi kimi they glad ukuthi abangidubulanga ngishona.
Yeah.
Understand ngavele ngathi okay nami ngaba down but azange ngibe sharp.
Yeah.
But azange ngitshele umuntu ngazithulela nje ngachubeka ngempilo.
Was it a traumatic situation?
Too much, big time.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Because I can imagine when someone you driving on the other side and people are just pulling up with guns and all that. And it's your first time experience.
Fana nokuthi like so ubonile bakuthathela iphone itrauma yakhona banayo kanjani leya imoto it's a big thing.
Yeah.
Exactly, because I remember Riga baze bamthathela iphone uze wa attenda nama what is these people? therapist.
Yeah.
After bamqovela phone. So
Yeah,
I can
so-
imagine ngemoto.
Yo.
Yeah,
It's a bad
yeah.
experience.
Like bengisho ngathi ngafa ne but ngathi mara impilo kusho ukuthi maybe bekumele kuyenzeka or amakheles wami I don't know.
Yeah.
So la ngimoshe khona uNkulunkulu ngicela ungicolele nefamily yami ithole ngenhliziyo zabo ukuthi bangicolele but I don't know ukuthi uma mncane wangicolela or kanjani because we never talk.
Did your relationship, did ukuloser imoto affected your relationship no mamncane wakho?
Yazi I'm not sure because uma mncane uyo ongikhulisile.
Yeah.
Uyo ngifake nasemsebenzini.
Yeah.
Yena wathi kimi angisho bakuthathela imoto manje uzokhona ukuzithengela imoto wena self ngeyakho. You understand? And naye washo lelo gama lokuthi sibonga mabangakudubulanga.
Yeah.
And the first thing ngifonele yena bekuya ama number wakhe ngiwazi. Because we were close like we were BFFs. Besebenza C2. Esidla C2. So azange ngibone like ama reaction ukuthi unenkingo or something.
There was any moment where you feel like there is some changes between you and her? Like you're saying right now, you guys were BFFs. What is it? Yes.
Yeah.
There were any elements of changing in between after everything that happened?
No, azange
There wasn't,
ngibona ama false alarm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yini belihlala endlini A1 or mhlambe wona bohlala somewhere else and ahlala somewhere.
Bengihlala somewhere else naye ahlala somewhere.
Okay.
But mangifika ngifikele kuye.
Before bazothatha imoto ne belibonana ngakhe like belivakashelana njengoba usho ukuthi relationship yenu be close kakhulu. So
Like besibonana almost every day because
Okay.
besiphuza sonke like ngama Fridays masishayisa sepolweni sometimes ngama Saturday but ngama weekend bese spend isikhathi masizikhipha.
yeah.
But mangathi sizikhipanga bengingamboni bengimbona Monday because yena ushadile.
All right.
So now, who introduced you into drugs? Kwenzakalani, were you still working? Mbusisene moto. Then kuba nothi kunenye ineshukela enye engasuthi mnandi and mayidlile. It's
Angisho after that ngiqeda ukulahlekela imoto ngachubeka ngasebenza bese ngazithengele yami imoto.
okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Mangiqeda ukuzithengela imoto sachubeka sasebenza ikhampani yama train.
Yeah.
Ya retrench abantu bangiretrench. You understand? Kwakosa ukuthini kumele ngibisele imoto bengana insurance.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Leya income ye 15,000 angisanayo.
At all.
You understand?
Yeah.
And ngihlala emcashweni.
Yeah.
You understand? So obviously ukuhlala elokishini uhlala ubusy.
Yeah.
Ubona uyenza nezinto zokuthi akumelanga uzenze. So ngasho ngithi ama friends wami but abangikhombanga ngesibhamu kusho ukuthi nami bengifuna that time.
Yeah.
Because I was stressed.
But these friends of yours like beba bema even up before.
I think now bawaqale recently bebangawabhemi. I crystal ifike fast yapenywa fast. Bengizwela but bengahlali nabo. Bengizwela ukuthi ikhona.
Yeah.
So mina ngicala ukuchila nabo njengoba ngingasasebenzi. Uyazi maungasasebenzi like
End up uyabloma nabantu aba wrong laba mhlambe bongafisa ukuthi one day uzobloma nabo. Yeah, it happens. I know that feeling.
Yeah.
So but tell me before angithi retrenchile before uzo jumpa kule ama crystal meth and stuff bohlala nobani endlini?
bengihlala ne girlfriend yami.
Okay, what happened?
We broke up.
Oh, I understand the
I was
relationship.
cheating. Yeah.
Oh,
cheater.
You are a cheater.
No, I'll tell him machita wami eating in jail.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
As long as une moto,
Yeah.
une cooler box,
Yeah.
une camping chair,
Sure.
uqoka smart.
Yeah.
Unukela ikoloni.
Yeah.
Wonke amantombazana wakho. Or nginama
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought amantombazana they bafuna umuntu azobashaya shaya.
exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, and abanye ayi ukuthi bafuna ukujola nawo just ukuthi ukulaya lo muntu lo ujola naye.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ukuthi hayi nathi sayifuna imali sifuna ukubona ukuthi inemali na. You understand izinto ezinjalo. ama-cherasi lamanye hayi wonke mara yang understand so sa break up
Okay.
and break up kanje nokuthi nespan siyaphela at the same time ezinye izinto ngasho ukuthi amaloyo rukhesilo or kuyenzakalani like
No, but I
you'll
think
never
it
know.
happens in life, in real life.
Yeah.
Sometimes izinto zinokuthi zingahambi ngendlela eright ngithola.
Yeah.
Ubone nje uzithola usemnyameni and awazi ukuthi uzophuma kanjani. Injalo like impilo, uyabona?
Yeah.
It's always like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, ungaqhubeka nje sizwe lesi story.
Yeah, so maqeda ukuvaya obviously nemoto iyavaya angisana nixi
Yeah.
fere sharp imali zaphuma maziphuma nginomntwana I had a daughter
Okay.
maziphuma ngamisa entabeni ngathi yazini ithi ngicede ngayo yonke into ngisale ngibe broke vele
Yeah.
Okay.
ngamisa entabeni kwaba sharp bese sengihlala ekasi singinama friend like mina bengiwumuntu wawonke umuntu
Okay.
yeah that is why like everyone really wangifilela shame
Yeah.
Yeah.
like uyabona mawungana mali
Yeah.
hayi testa le mchomi
Yeah.
le plug le angeke uzudakwe like asilali
So le mali le
Obviously,
ukhuluma ngayo uthi yaphuma boke imali yani?
Provident Fund
Oh, yasespani.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah
Boke imalini?
Ah,
200,000.
na like hayi bengasebenzanga isikhathi eside maybe ngisebenze boma 4 to 5 years I think
Yeah, it should be
Being
something like
okay.
$500,000, I understand.
No,
No, it's fine. Even if you don't have to
akekho
disclose.
nomuntu othole $500,000 lapha even nabantu bokuthi like uma mncane yana maybe kane 20 years service I don't think $500,000 uyitholile mara maybe you will never know alisha masalary wethu awafani
Yeah.
maybe bakhona
So I told you kwenzakalani wasumntwana entabeni and
Yeah.
then
la bengihlala khona kuma stand bengingabhadali bese ngambhadala imali yakhe
Yeah.
ngachubeka ngahlala ngasithola isipani but lesi span bebangikholela like I change ngathi bengikhola imali transport bengispana la eWhiteville
khona la
Oh,
yeah
yeah.
and ngisuke eDavidson like bengispenda 2,000 transport
Sure.
and leyo company bengikholela 4,000
Yeah.
You
I
understand?
was
Samelo
downgrade from
rent,
such a
samelo
huge amount
gawule.
uyang
to
understand
this.
yeah
Yeah, I know.
so ngagcina ngiyeka vele ngilengayeka ngathi ayingisebenzeli abantu bayangibona ekseni ngiphethe ibheki like okay sharp ngiyasidinga ispan but angeke ngize ngifoste izinto
So were you not hoping ukuthi maybe ungathola promotion?
there was not beyingekho lapha ipromotion like le company le beyiqeda ukuvula beyisupplier thina la bengisebenza khona before
Okay.
company incane kahle kahle nabe bangithathela ukuthi bengibaphethe kahle kule ya company previous company bangenzela ifavor
Yeah.
because bangitshelile ukuthi hayi vele lapha ya angeke uzohola ngathi hayi ithi ngiyobona ngabona ukuthi ayingisebenzeli
But remember ukuthi wenzakalani ngespan sakho sokuqala bowushanyela and the next thing bakupromote.
Yeah.
So bonganayo leyo faith leyo ukuthi mhlambe nayi if ingabekezela and then bangangikhuphula ngisithole ngi somewhere else again.
bengingasanayo ngisho bese ngicwele igoli
Yeah.
ngithi hayi maybe ngizosithola esinye lesi bese 15,000 or 10,000
Yeah.
you understand ngalesa sikhathi remember first time bengingasebenzi bengicala uyazi like mawuqala you taking any
you appreciate
Yeah.
yonke into yawo right. Yeah.
so manje bese ngizwile imali sengiyazi ene ngisebenzisa ini experience
Yeah.
ene nabo laba bangithathela ukuthi bayangazi izinto eziningi yazazi vele
Okay.
Yeah,
Were you doing
understand.
the same job nalapho uyeke khona like?
yeah
Okay.
so benjalo
So all right, genzeka again now, ne? Everything is well. Everything is now it's starting to fall out. Like now you are introduced to drugs. What happened next?
ngile ngawabhema ama drugs out yami like in a way yokuthi angizazi ukuthi ngubani like yabona the way ngihleli ngakhona manje nginonile just ukuthi anginama picture
Yeah.
bengondile like ngondile you understand cause let iCrystal ne ikubonisa izinto ezingabonwa
Like how?
like bengiyibona inyoka ebusuku
Hey.
fly a dragon.
You lying.
I'm telling you the truth.
Wait. Bobona dragon ifly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So bebona huwe kuphela ukwenzakalani or bo dragon lokuthi kwenzakalani bebona huwe kuphela.
Sonke thina laba esibhemile sihigh.
Nonke if let's say uyabona manje siphelele sonke la siyabhema lana.
Yeah.
And then sonke sizoyibona leyo dragon.
Yes. So I don't know what kind of a drug. Ukuthi linjani lela drug.
So but obviously into efana ne dragon angaze ngayibona ngemehlo sibona kuma TV uyangithola.
Yeah.
So I want to understand ukuthi okay it's fine obvious mawungayibona ngemehlo njengoba usho. Iyathusa lento bozo scream or mhlawumbe ngadla phansi uyabona lento efana lezo. So what was giving you energy enye ukuthi kusasa ngisafuna ukubhema futhi because you know ukuthi njalo mangibhemile engizobona lento engizodla phansi or ngizo scream out.
On that time bengayazi ukuthi why bengichubeka.
Yeah.
Because again kwesikhathi before bengi-enjoya ngisho.
Sure.
But isikhathi masesiya bese kubuya I think bese lingijwayele le drug bese kubuya yonke into. Ukuthi benginjani before.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So ngiba ne depression more.
Yeah.
Like ngizisole.
Yeah.
Ngikhale. Like uyawubona ayaflya. And except so ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
Because bengithatha 7 days ngalali.
7 days?
Yes.
Is that possible?
100% possible.
Yeah.
I-crystal meth is dangerous. Very dangerous. And uyabona the way sihleli ngakhona. Izinto zokuthi bese sikhuluma ngazizwa mase ngihleli ngiyi1. Ngizi ngathi nila. But anikho. Bese ngitshele someone ongenayo ngithi hayi uyambona ubani nangu la ngihleli naye. But awukho. Ngithi sihleli saxoxa la mara awukho.
Yeah. So usnotice kanjani ukuthi actually uvelments akekho yi mara beka khona. Yeah.
We realize mase usoba. Yeah. Ukuthi boyenza into enje na kanje.
So uba sober after how long then?
Obvious mase ukhone uyayishaya shutdown 2 days ulala ungavuki.
2 days.
Yeah.
48 hours.
Yeah. Remember, stomach awudlanga uphuza amanzi kuphela.
So awudli like mawubhema that day.
Awubi ne appetite at all. Just ukuthi uba dry la entameni because smoke ngisho plus nokwayi. So ukudla akungeni stalo at all. Yeah.
So this crystal thing does it come in a form of a powder like the drugs that we see on television, or does it come in a form of a Bluetooth? These guys about Bluetooth with the injection and whatnot.
That one it's like a salt.
Like a salt.
Yeah. Rumor said bathi i-drug la masocha njengoba ba trainer basebenzisa lona. So kusho ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama siyal overdose. But maybe amanga thina siyazikhohlisa whoever ezenale crystal meth uyayizwa na inegama nesibongo. I-first drug yokuthi nama demon but it's a demonic drug actually of which is true. Mina I was there ngizibonile qiniso le.
Yeah.
Inama demon njengetswayi.
Njengetswayi then bese uyibhema kanjani if something ifana njengetswayi?
Uyifaka ku yabona le globe le lama globe lawa.
Mapi.
Lama globe lawa around lawa yabona. Lawa manje nje lawa 15 rand I think it's 20 rand.
Okay, yeah, ngiyabona.
Yeah. Bese siphula lona. Siyalcleana. Bese libiza nge-J pipe. But anyway, namaporto akhona amakulu bayathengisa. But mangathi awunayo leyo mali yokuthenga lelo pipe. Sisebenzisa leyo globe. Siyaliphula, siyenza kahle I mean siyayiclean. Bese sifaka le crystal inside. Bese sebenzisa igunlight uyasmeltisa ulayita ngapha phansi.
Okay.
Awuyicheese. Umlilo wakhona kumele ube good.
Yeah.
Until it smelt. Mayiceda ukusmelt uyayeka futhi uyayifreezisa. bese wena uthi keep poison angazi nokuthi sithatha ukuthi keep poison yini poison because already sperm ion poison bese liyaphola after that uyalighta futhi uyasmeltisa uyadonsa.
Okay, so my don't as if like it's a habli.
Yes, and then the smoke sakhona ingathi habli but akusi habli sicwele ingathi habli. Mawuhleli nomuntu obhemi habli na obhemi crystal uzobona ingathi na obhemi habli. Smoke sakhona siqwele too much.
Damn.
So mawuqeda lapho uyehlisa ngogwayi. Asazi nokuthi sithathaphi ukuthi kuyehlisa ngogwayi cause iplug le drug.
Akunakuthi ungal sugar coat ani.
No.
Shit. So mawubona lezo ibhokile so what do you do uhleka naso uyasidlalisa kwenzakalani?
Yeah, siyajabula siyaphuma la ngaphandle siyajive. Or masiqeda lapho si clean. Umuntu obhemi crystal angeke umbona ngcolile. Ba clean abafani nenyawupe. Angazi.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yona injani. But umuntu crystal kwakhe ku clean naye u clean uhlezi agezile.
Wana leya energy ne?
Yeah.
So inyawupe yona is like we are what you call it?
Yeah. Uyenzani angazi ukuthi yona idrag elinjani because
akaze uyizama.
Only crystal.
Okay.
And nakhona crystal ukuthi ngiyibhema. Yiyo le depression ne plug lokuthi ngibonile ukuthi hayi man umsile plug lela ngilali. And ngikhohla inkinga zami zonke ngaleso sikhathi.
Oh, so depression it comes from the part yokuthi you've lost everything, you lost the job, you lost your partner, you lost everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
How bad it was the depression of losing everything?
Oh, it was very bad. Like it was very bad, but into engibulalile bengekho umuntu engizokhuluma naye.
Umamncane bekakuphi by then?
Beyakhona ngidisappointile. Futhi yena yo ngidisappointe kakhulu yo. Cause bokuyo umuntu ukuthi ungadile vele.
Yeah.
So ngithe mangibhema yo wa give up.
So there was no other enye indlela maybe ukuthi akuseku rehab or you know other avenues that they can assist you as like family they should stick with us in hard and easy times.
Ungilandile because bese ngihlala nalapho sibhemela khona wangilanda. Wayongihlalisa kwakhe wangise rehab. But mangifika lapha kwakhe ngisho bese ngithola yonke into ngaba worse. Ngiye rehab ngilapse.
So how many times have you went to rehab?
Ngathi 2 times.
2 times.
2 times.
Yini into kwenza ukuthi relapse? What made you to relapse in the rehab?
I think bengakahili like depression yami yo be worse. Bengakahili. So bonile ungasebenzi. Uyi breadwinner uyacabanga ukuthi kini umama wakho umntwana wakho. Like ifamily yakho idisappointile yonke. Like azange ngithola isikhathi sokuhila.
Yeah.
Azange ngifuna ukutshela mama.
It was a difficult moment for wena ngalezo nkhathi masine.
Too much.
Yeah.
Too much.
Why are you saying that there was no person to speak about to release your frustration and your emotions while you have everyone surrounding you, especially umamncane or your mother or friends? Or all your friends, they were in the same, you guys were in the same boat of smoking drugs?
Yeah, beyikhona ifriend yami yokuthi nawe iyabhema ne. Uyu umuntu engikhona ukukhuluma naye.
Yeah.
But bekungasizi because siyabhema sithu but yena bekangi-advise.
Yeah, ukuthi like advising in what way?
Yekela une future sharp uyohlala nomamncane uxolise. Ngathi akusizi like I don't think ukuthi ngizokhona because I'm disappointed kakhulu. And into ebhlungu bebamangala ukuthi angitshontshe lapha endlini. Into bebazibuza ngayo ukuthi ubhema kanjani ama drugs angatshontsha. You understand?
Which is a good question though. Who was funding you in terms of smoking the drugs? Ubani bekakunikeza imali?
Bengibhema nabangani bami vele.
So now we write up imali. How would they, get money to maintain that lifestyle?
Lo omunye bekasebenza. Egibo nakhona bebamnikeza imali.
Yeah.
Ethola.
Okay.
So mina vele bengiphila nge350. Obviously 350 mayingena.
Yeah. So if you are surviving good 350, you have to maintain the lifestyle of smoking drugs. What about your needs? You need toiletries, you need what? Ubani beyakuthengela lezo zinto zonke if when yakho imali iyada?
Like lezo zinto ne ucabanga izinto zokuthi uzosebenzisa manje. Lese ngithenga insipho nevaseline necolgate ishayile. Like ama toiletries ukuthi bengiwasebenzisa before bengingasawathengi. Ngibheke ukuthi kumele ngisale ne-change ngiyobhemisa abantu abangibhemisayo. You understand? Maybe ngingaspenda 100 rand bese i250 yonke sayibhema.
Okay. How much is that crystal?
50 rand bag.
50 rand. Then izokulasta for how long?
Cause sibaningi, maybe a day ungayithenga 5 bag.
A day 5 bag. Then bese kuyotakwa the whole week.
The whole 7 days.
Sure.
Uba depressed, emotionally high, happy. Like njengoba ngisho mina ngalesa sikhathi ngisaqala bengenza happy, but isikhathi masiya ngibona ukuthi lempilo le man like uzwa ama advice uwathola katlego nawe sola. Why kanti mawufika endlini uyazikhuphula ukuthi like why bese ngizitshele ngizikhohlise mina ngithi abantu aba understand into engigoa through yona. You understand? Abanye bakhuluma ngokuthi uma mncane wakho rich wayenza so wa ungayohlala khona kanti sengibuya lapha ngafika ngabhema futhi ngaba worse, so angazi ukuthi kele kwayenzakalana. I don't wanna lie. Like idemon belingenile ne lele la take over impilo yami yonke enangazi ukuthi libiyaphi.
Yeah.
Angazi ngifuna ukutshela manje because I was a good person.
Yeah. Sure. So out of all things that you can say, about drugs and your experience, which one you can label maybe top 3 of all things that just ruin your life? Yeah, you're going to be right, and then you started this new lifestyle, and then which are those things that just ruin your life, especially when you started smoking?
Like ngasho ngithi i-crystal elamosha impilo yami yonke, because if nokuthi azange ngibheme I think bengizochubeka ngokuthi ngakethe. Like ngikhohle ngokuthi ngike ngasebenza endaweni nje ngahola imali nje. Ngithi impilo ingicalele phansi futhi mina kumele ngibonge ukuthi ngiphilile ngiyasurvive anyway. Izinto uNkulunkulu angithathile zona. I think it was a test. Ukuthi ungicalela phansi ngikhona ukubona ukuthi impilo injani. Because azange ngihasile mangifika la ngifike ngasebenza ngabashaba. Like unlike other people ukuthi bafike la eGauteng bangasebenzi isikhathi eside bangalala bangadlanga. So ngabona ngathi uNkulunkulu uyangiphanisha, I don't know, or amadlozi wami ayangiphanisha, I don't know, ukuthi kumele ngigo through whatever ngigowa yona.
How long you've been clean now?
Yo, so isikhathi.
It's been weeks, it's been months, it's been a year.
Since ngimuvela ngapha eTsakani.
Yeah.
I think 4 years.
4 years? Do you think you can go back?
No, I don't think so.
So you should now, you want to leave like permanently, because I can tell that before usa say ngada you were struggling back to rehab for like 2 times, but you went back again. So this time around, what made you feel like ngiyaphuma kulento le and ngiyaphuma like permanently?
Into engiphushile umntwana wami nomama. Umama uyakhula nomntwana uyakhula. Ngiyabona ukuthi like impilo sebhiza isafana ngalesa sikhathi. Obviously kumele ngivuke ngisebenzele yena like nomama wami. It's all NSC2 like nginobhuti kuphela. So babheke mina. So like nami bengasafuni bengifuna impilo yami bheke. That is why ngile nga decide ukuthi ithi ngiphume kule ndawo ngiyohlala kwenye indawo ngibone ukuthi lento izongisebenzela ngingayi rehab like me myself ngizitshela ukuthi like I can't no to drugs because according to me rehab ngibona ngathi mawu yakhona mawubuye uyalapha futhi I don't think rehab it's a solution kimi okay kwabanye abantu it's a solution yona right but mina kimi ngihlulile nga decide ukuthi mina ithi ngizirehab myself ngibone ukuthi ngizobhema na.
How did you do it?
Just nje kuhlala ngiyi-1 because la ngihlala khona I don't have friends. Phuma kwami ngeshop kuphela ngihleli endlini. You understand? So ene nakhona ngeke ngize ngiblame abangana bakukhombi ngesibhamu ukuthi ibhema. Uyaziyela wena uyazibhemela.
Uhlala kwakho uyi-1 ne I know the fact that ukuthi but when you are what they call it, when you want to detox drugs in your body system uba ne-allostro that enye ukuthi uyasmaya ubona ini you scream you get sick. Withdrawal black are they calling it withdrawal symptoms or what? I don't know what they call it, but I think it's withdrawal symptoms. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Did you ever go through that, and how did you survive that hectic moment?
Crystal ayinayo.
Ayinayo. Yini lena? What kind of a drug that has that?
Inyawupa I think.
Inyawupa ne?
Yeah. Crystal ayinayo. Kahle Crystal ngisho ngithi ifana ne-party drug. Just ukuthi thina sayi overdose. Let's say manje uphuzile udayiwe. Mawungayibhema uyoba sober. Uyochubeka uphuze.
For the next 7 days.
Yes.
Sure.
You understand?
7 days.
Into ugenza iCrystal isymptom yakhona iyakuncanga uyawonda. Like uyawonda like
because you don't even eat.
Yeah.
Phuza amanzi nje kuphela.
Yeah. Like uyawonda nje ube amathambo like slender.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yawubona nama Bushmen or ama khoi.
Yeah.
Yabona umzimba wabo.
Yeah.
Uba kanjani?
I mean, can you answer this guy here? Okay. Oh
So
man, that's very.
Ayina ma after effects or ama craving or ini.
Yeah.
And mawuhlala bese ungasana into yokubhema. Kula uqeda ukudla khona.
Oh.
Uyadla. You understand?
Sure.
Uyadla.
Yeah.
Ngaqeda ne fridge ne dry pack ngilangeliwa.
Ngelangeliwa.
Because ubhatalisa leya 7 days.
Yeah.
You understand? So
but what can you advise, especially parents? Parents are so frustrated with their kids, especially mabatata ama drugs. In most cases, I can get frustrated if my son took drugs or is taking drugs. What advice can you give them, especially in the frustration mindset? Why are you taking drugs? Like you are saying right now, I feel like your life was so privileged. Bono auntie wako was there for you, supporting you, moto, and all the stories, right? At the same time, you had a place to stay. Unlike a person who doesn't have a place to stay. Yeah, we understand that. Yes, I just want you to advise these parents in a frustration mindset. Umsiza kanjani umntanakho ukuthi aphume kulezi zinto?
Mina advice engabanikeza yona. Bangabanikezi under pressure. Bangabatsheli ukuthi yeka ama drugs. Baba support uzoziyekelela.
Yeah.
Because the more umuntu umpusha,
yeah,
the more angena kakhulu. You understand?
Yes.
If nokuthi baba nenkinga, umntwana kukhuluma naye, umtshele ukuthi inkinga yakho yini, ushota ngani.
Yeah.
if nokuthi lento le angikhona ukuyenzela bheka isituation hayi ukuthi kumele uhlale umthethise. Sometimes abanye abantu babhema ama drugs maybe like family maybe akakhona ukukhuluma bamenze something izinto ezinjalo understand. So I think abazali kumele babe supportive. Yebo i-rehab ikhona, sometimes i-rehab iyanceda, sometimes ayincedi. Ifamily yona kumele ikusupport.
Okay, all right. Now I hear you. So I just want to understand again, ukuthi, at some point, how do you tell yourself when, as a person who's consuming drugs, ukuthi I man say wanele right now, I think angisadingi ukuthatha zonke lezi zinto, you know, because like you understand kunabanye laba abantu ukuthi right now as currently we are talking, they are taking drugs, you know, but they want to do the same thing as you did rather. How do you give them a tip, man? Ukuthi you can do this, you can try this, maybe this one it can work for you, you know? Yeah.
I think ukutshintsha indawo it's the most
important, ne? Yeah.
Because there was one of my friend ukuthi besibhemana ushonile last thing 16 December.
16 December. Naye beya ku Christa.
Yes.
What happened? Overdose.
Asas akekho umuntu oyaziyo and even ne family angeke izisho. And bathi bebahleli like so bebabhema bese waphuma maqeda ukuphuma iminyango wawaphansi washona.
That's just like that.
And
yesterday, you know, I was walking from Parktown to Joburg CBD, you know. So while I was walking, I saw when I'm some police when they bafagele, what is this thing? At solo tape. So I don't know what they call it. When I'm seeing the scene, when they covered the scene. Yes. So they covered the scene. There's a guy there is homeless. So ngati uvomite something and then he just walalela futhi slept there like a full peaceful sleep, like a forever sleep, you know. So when I check, I was like, what happened? Because you could see like bekahlanzile, like here's what amahlanzi wakhe la on next to him, you know. So that's why I realized what maybe overdose is something.
Yeah. So umngani wami yena asazi ukuthi overdose or and it was first time ngizwa bathi umuntu ubulale ama drug. Cause ngiyele ngaba surprised bengacabanga ukuthi iCrystal ngabulala like kulana ngazitshela khona vele ukuthi kahle ama drug awafuneki nokuthi sengiyakhula like kumele ngichintshe lifestyle ayengize ngiphile kanje like why kumele ngiyenze lento le engithingizele yona la eGauteng, you understand?
So currently where are you standing with your family? Are you guys fixing things? Are you trying to bring back the old relationship you had with them?
Yeah. I could like si right but angeke uzuwazi ukuthi umuntu right or akekho right but umuntu ongaziyo umama am like uyo osharp so abomamncane bami yibo angazi ukuthi usharp or kanjani.
Ugcinene kumfone.
Sakhuluma ku WhatsApp. Hayi siya emakhaya sonke siphuza utshwala ngithengele like manje December uthengile umntwana wami iphone. So that is why ngithi deep down ngifeeling athi there's something akangicoleli kahle ungicolele but not funny one akangithembi.
Do you blame her?
I don't blame her. I don't.
Do you understand the emotions and the rough times you put them through?
Yeah. Kakhulu futhi kakhulu. Just ukuthi umama mvele yena umama but omunye umuntu angikaza understand compared to umzali. So yena angimblame vele. So mina ngifeeling athi vele akangicoleli.
Do you speak to your son though normally, like in terms of advising him? Is it a son or a daughter?
It's a daughter.
It's a daughter. Do you speak to your daughter and advise her that what happened to you, or like the relationship with your daughter in terms of advising her, or my daughter, I went through hectic moments. I plead you not to go through the same process. How often do you guys have that kind of a conversation?
That conversation asibi nayo because azange bamtshele. Yeah.
Oh, so usesemncane ne?
Uyenza grade 11.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Azange bamtshele but siyaxoxa like ngezinto ezisharp like ukuphuza nani but ezama drug nani
Okay.
so azange bamtshele yena before if nokuthi bayele bamtshela bekazongibuza because ungibuza yonke into sine relationship engathi zama sisters angisho ukukhule nomama mami.
Yeah. Okay. But are you ready for that conversation in future? I'm sure. Yeah.
And mina futhi into engincede kakhulu ukuthi ngiyeka ama drugs is because of bengingafihli ukuthi ngiyabhema. Yeah. Bengisho ngibatshela abantu. I think that is why ngile ngashesha ngawayeka. Yeah. Ngashesha ngazicontrol ngathi yazi ithi ngingasayi rehab ngizibone mina. Why mangisoba ngije angikho depressed angicabangi like yonke into because whatever benginayo seyindlulile kumele ngiyidlulise ngiqhubeke phambili ngempilo. Ithi ngithi ngiqalela phansi ngempilo.
Osho ukuthi lama drugs they are causing more depression.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mara mawuqala angeke uzuyizwe. Isikhathi masesiya akukhosa more depression. And over depressed like depressed wishing ngathi ungazibulala.
Sure.
But mina azange ngifike kule situation because noma bengibhemile bengicabanga ukuthi nginomama. Nginomntwana and babheke mina. Mangingazibulala bayosala nobani. Ngiyoba ngizibulalelane actually. I understand.
Well, currently, what are you busy with? Are you employed?
Nah, unemployed. Much.
You're unemployed. Yeah.
Unemployed much.
Yeah. How long you been unemployed?
Bengisebenza last year ku Korea company. Ngathi in September, October, yeah. From November, December until now. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. What do you wish for yourself as like we speak right now? What do you wish for yourself in the next coming months, in the next coming days, in the next coming years?
I wish I can get the permanent job, that's all.
I've put in this naked, eh? You don't want to inspire other people. You don't want to take other people out of drugs. Actually, I wanted to ask you this question. Eh?
Yeah.
Who was Boateng solo one number drugs? Who's the cell?
Awusnemali.
Awusneman woman.
Yo, bahlala khona le David Zona. I don't know ukuthi basathengisa or kanjani.
Ubathola kuphi la estradeni?
No, endlini.
Endlini.
Nababalali. And abawabhemi mind you. They don't smoke.
So they don't sleep what?
Uyana ngo 3, ngo 1, ngo 2, ngo 12 24/7.
So who's supplying them?
I don't know. Bathi bayayipheka but iroom bathi bayayipheka lapha ePinoni Lakeside ama Nigeria.
Ipheka ama Nigeria.
Yeah.
That's at the Lakeside.
Yabona ngale kaKhokho.
Angiyazi kaKhokho. I just know that side Lakeside the mall ne?
Yeah. Ngale Spitsipitsini la kuthusa khona so khona enye indawo esayidini kaKhokho bathi bawapheka khona ngale. So inkinga but I so wish ukuthi abangani bami laba ngibashiyile bengibhema nabo angisho kushone 1 so kusele 2 manje ngiwish ngathi bangawayeke like permanently cause lo munye last year it was this year ngiyele ngamfonela ngathi ezazohlala nami
so wenzani guys
azangeza ngam offer ngathi uzohlala nami uzo detox because angina income anginamali nawe awunayo imali ngakufakela i50 rand ugibele uzohlala nami
so cabanga ukuthi ngabuyela eDavid ungabuyela futhi
no because nyaya vele several times
do you see your friends are they proud ukuthi uphumile
too much
ngibabulise
bese ifamily yami like uma mncane akathanda ukuthi ngiye ngale babona ngathi ngiyobhema so sometimes nginokungayi sometimes bese ngifikele straight kama mncane ngibabone mase ngihamba
okay yo man your story is so touching and I feel like many people, they should just learn from your story. Because at the end of the day, I felt like wangena ungenile. You are in. Aksena utunga pumega, you know.
God, there's no way.
Yeah.
Because monga na mali uba soba. So what makes it different? Shukuthi ungahlala ungapay.
Yeah, shuthi ungahlala ungapay. Ish.
Or maybe amadraga wafana.
Shukuthi nyapo yaphumeka.
Shinyawo bangazi.
Ne.
Angazi ngakhuluma manga.
My guy, do you have some question, man? We're about to wrap up, man. No, I can give you my mic. It's fine. I can give you my mic, man. Okay. I can wrap it up, ne? Okay. Anyway, it's now khulume ngokuningi, guys. You see. Now it's khulume ngokuningi, you know. So man, I just wish you can stay sober, you can stay clean forever and ever, and get where you wanna be, man. You know, one thing I'm saying, I'll give you a high five and say I'm proud of you. You just left drugs completely, and now you're just good as you are, you know. Let's hope soon we'll get employment and work great.
Just told this man and give up.
Mageta, no? No, just hang in there. We will be fine. I say Val. Make sure you do the same. You like, subscribe, and you share. Me and you, we're gonna meet again on the next episode.